Okay, Patrick, thanks for grabbing your computer. We still have the tools laying around here and we ended up on the eldoLED website. Where can I find FluxTool?
So to download FluxTool, first you go to Products. In Products you find Tools and Accessories. This brings you to the Tools and Accessories section. Here you have the options to look at various products. One of them is the FluxTool software. So next you go to the FluxTool software. So you have two options. Either you download it for Windows or you download it for Mac.
So next to the software, you also see our installation instructions, design guide and release notes in this section of the website. The installation instructions is containing everything that we explained in the previous video about how to connect the toolbox to the toolbox adapter and to the driver. And it tells you everything about the compatibility between the toolbox and our products. In the design guide, we're going into deeper detail about how FluxTool works and how you can configure FluxTool to program your driver in the correct way. And next to that, you have the release notes that explains you everything about former versions of FluxTool and which improvements we've made with the latest versions of FluxTool, which is down for download on the website.
So now let's download the Mac version and get started.
Why do I need to fill in my contact details here? Is that you guys can contact me, or why do I need to fill in the data there?
So by registering on our website, we can actually inform you about future releases of the FluxTool software.
Let's get started.